midnight Autopsy. No, really, it's like 6 or 7 minutes past midnight. So this is the board from the Chromebook I have. It's probably soon going to be more like had, where the case on that thing was destroyed. Probably recognize this board too. So let's just put this bitch back. Yeah. And so I was like, removed the board, tested it, still worked. Screwed it into a piece of wood via the holes. Didn't work. I just got a battery plugged in, flashing a white LED as if it was in the factory mode with the battery. That didn't seem to make sense. So I probed around, noticed that on like these capacitors, like these bypass capacitors, and on the other side caps of the power rails for the CPU, they were all like shorted, like both ways. So you know, that doesn't seem to make sense, you know. So what I did was I removed the CPU, and the shorts magically resolved themselves. Damn thing is no longer shorted. So that's the ground. See, we're just doing that, getting that thing where it charges up. So yeah, that's just fucking excellent. Yeah, we'll say didn't do a half bad job actually removing that BGA package. 0 ripped pads or traces. That's pretty good. So yeah, I guess if I do find another one of these, no, this thing's going into the drawer of failures. Fuck this thing.